What if I told you that in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can earn a lot of money, over $1,700, just by opening emails with a completely brand new website? I know it sounds amazing and you guys are probably going crazy right now, so I'm not even going to make you wait any longer. You guys are going to absolutely love it. You guys are going to go absolutely insane about it. So if you want to start, just hover your mouse on. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. So obviously this app is free. It's available to everyone from whatever part of the world, no matter where you're from, no matter what remote country you're from. You're gonna be able to have access to this website. It's 100% free, if I didn't already say that, because it's the best thing about it. You don't need any skills or any prior experience. It's beginner friendly. It's super easy to do. You're going to earn a lot of money. All you need is whatever device you have already available to you, so you don't even have to spend and invest or pay for any materials, because whatever you have, that's it. And just make sure you have an internet connection, just a stable, decent one, and that's literally perfect already. So if you guys want to know what website we're going to be talking about today, then keep on watching and let's jump right into it. Step number one, we're going to go onto this website, which is called Volatic.com. Now, as you can see over here in their homepage, it says earn money by reading emails. And this website is going to pay you to read and open emails, and for completely free. So when you scroll down, you're going to see that it says earn money by reading email wherever you are. So with Volatic, you can earn money by opening and reading emails wherever you are, from your PC, tablet, or smartphone. The choice is yours. This is 100% free and worldwide available method, and it's super great. So when you scroll down again, you're going to see a paragraph that says we pay you for every email you read, and instantly. That means you don't even have to wait for a long period of time, because you can cash out your money right away. And the reason for this is that they do have a minimum payout threshold of 20 cents. So that's super low. And this website offers a pretty good referral program as well, so you can even participate in that. And they have 6 referral commission levels. The first level, okay, you're going to earn 50% commission, and the highest one, you're going to earn 100% commission, which I'm 100% sure you're not going to find anywhere else on the internet. Also, they are going to pay you $1 for every referral who earns $1. Now, when you scroll down a bit more, you're going to see here members and their earnings, and the website also has over 10,000 total members registered, which is actually not a lot. You know, this website is not well known yet for now, which is good for us because there's less competition and we want that. Okay, we're here before everyone else gets here, and you're gonna see that there are over this amount of members online right now. You're gonna see that they've paid out over $500,000 to just 10,000 people. Just imagine that, $500,000 to 10,000 people. Like, that is not even balanced. So just imagine how much these 10,000 people are earning each. Okay, now there literally are no limits with this website. You can go beyond your wildest dreams. And before you actually do anything on the website, okay, which we are going to be earning money from by just opening emails, you're going to have to open up and have an email account first, okay? Obviously, I know all of you watching today's video already have an email account already, but I still want you guys to make a new one, because you're just going to use this one just for work, just with this, okay? You probably don't want your personal email to be mixed up with some work email, you know, so I do suggest you open up and create a brand new email. It's just the best option. You have a lot of choices. You can do Gmail, maybe Yahoo, Outlook, or other email services that you want, but I choose to work with Google's Gmail. It's well connected and it's super easy. I mean, I'm very used to it, so it's the most convenient one for me. So that's what I'm going to choose. I want you guys to comment down below what country you reside in and what payment methods you guys prefer so that I can use it for my future videos. And I always appreciate it when you guys comment down below because it helps me think of new ideas and concepts. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. So, I will suggest that you create an account with Gmail. So, to do so, you're going to head on over to gmail.com, and then you're going to click on sign up. Obviously, you're going to create an account, and then once you start creating an account, it's going to take you to this page where you are then going to fill out all of the details being asked of you. So that's your first name, your last name, your username, then you're going to create a password. And then after that, you're going to click on over here. And now we have two that's optional, but you can just, put it for your account to be secure. You can just choose to put your phone number or your recovery email address whatsoever. And then you're going to enter in your date of birth, of course your gender, and then after that you're going to click on next. And then it's going to take you to a page where you can read their terms and conditions and their privacy policy. You're just going to go through it really quickly to, get acquainted with their policies and their conditions and terms. But if you're too lazy to read it, whatever, then just agree right away, and that's it. You have successfully created a new Gmail account. It was super duper easy, and that's also another thing I like about Gmail. There's nothing complicated about their sign up process, which I would say is the reason why a lot of people love Gmail as well. So now that we have an account, and I do suggest that you get one, but once you do, we can head on back to volatic.com. And before we finish up, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it really helps the channel. We have new videos for you every day, so you definitely won't regret it. Also, hit the notification bell because why not, right? Let's wrap this up then. Now, all you have to do is create your account on this website, and you can do that by simply clicking on this register button right here. You're then going to be brought to this page where you're going to fill out this form, and then you're going to enter in your username, your email address, and your password. And then for the referral, you can just leave it blank. But if you do have one, it's best maybe a friend or anyone you know is using this website so you can become their referral, and that way you're also going to help them earn additional cash. But obviously, if you don't, then it's fine. The best part is you can do that exact same thing with other people that sign up after you, right? So maybe you want to try that out as well. Anyway, you're just going to tick the first two boxes after reading, again, the terms of service and privacy notice of this website. Just make sure that you leave this last box unchecked because you probably don't want to receive spam emails from this website daily. Then afterwards, you're just going to click on the register button. Then you're going to receive an activation email. All you have to do is open up that email. You're going to click on the activation link, and then clicking it is going to activate your account. And it's as easy as that. Just like that, you've successfully created your brand new account on this website when you log in for the first time. This is how the dashboard is going to look like. So after you create your account, this website will start sending emails to you daily. All you have to do is open it and read those emails, and you're going to get paid. Now, there are a few bonus tips that I do want to share with you that you have to follow. It's not optional. It is a must. So the first thing is that your emails are going to be here daily, but you can easily miss them and miss the opportunity of making money because they really track it. Because some of the emails go to the spam, so make sure you always check your spam. That's the first one. But you can make sure that these emails never end up in the spam folder. We can try and change that. So to be able to do that, you're going to star these emails so they'll become your favorites. And if you find these emails in your spam folder, all you have to do is click on the three dots, and there's going to be an option which will allow you to move these emails out of the spam folder and into the inbox. That's pretty much it. That's how you can make the most money by using that tactic. And that is pretty much it. Make sure you try this video out. I know you guys are going to love it, and I will see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.